What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. It's morning, so I know it's been a long time, it's been a while, but I am busy these days. Like, I'm in the university now, and I don't really have time. I study a lot, maybe, but there's a lot of things going on, and it makes me not have the time to do my YouTube. But I'm going to schedule that because I'm going to schedule my school life and my YouTube life. Okay, so today I'm going to take you guys to the beach because I've been those are my family. I've been really busy and I don't have like a social life, which makes me sad, because sometimes you have to go out, have fun, enjoy the beauty of life when you can, when you're still alive. So I have a lot of things to do. It's like 9 in the morning right now. So I get up early today. I don't have class. Usually I do have class, but since I think, no, I don't think it's holiday. Yesterday was holiday, but since I don't know why they decided not to have class, but anyway, so I'm going to take you guys. Now I have to find my outfit. I have to do my plans on what to wear, where to go, how to get to the beach. I think it's a 1 hour drive. I'm going to find a taxi. So I'm going to talk to a taxi and see how much it's going to take me there. But it's a beautiful, beautiful beach. Like, I've been there multiple times and I love it. So yeah, let's start by finding what to wear. I think I'm going to buy snacks because their food are expensive, but I'm still going to buy food there, but I'm not going to buy a lot. But I think I have to go to the supermarket and buy snacks. Hello guys, so I packed my bag. I'm a bit shiny. So remember I said that I have a lot of things, like a lot of places to go before I go to the beach. Well, I've canceled one because I'm so hungry. I wanted to buy snack, like to go to the supermarket and buy a snack, but like I'm so hungry, like I cannot wait. I haven't eaten and it's noontime. I've taken a shower, but I still haven't like drinking coffee. My stomach is empty, so I'm not going to the supermarket anymore. I'm just going direct to a restaurant and buy some food, eat. Maybe I'll end up buying cake instead of snack because I cannot wait. I'm sorry. So let me show you guys my outfit for today. This is my outfit for today. So this is how I'm going to the beach. So yeah, this is how I'm going to the beach. I'm sorry, I wasn't at it.
This one at 10,000. This na 25. Ends there. This na 25. This 25. Nah, oh you okay. This na 30,000. 25.
In our chocolates?
Yeah. Now continue cake chocolate.
What is?
Now big 25,000. I mean
one. This thing almost. You said it's not apple. Fine. So I'm here at the beach, which is great. I want to change to my bikini, of course. So I'm planning to change. I bought cake, which I'm so happy for. Can't wait to try them and can't wait to go around. But for now, I'm just going to relax. Yeah, because I'm thirsty, you know. It's beautiful. I am so happy. I'm so I'm so happy I'm here. Sadly it's sunny, but it's great. It's nice. I don't think I'm going to swim. I don't know how to. I don't know how to swim, but I'm here alone. Yeah. So guys, I still haven't changed it. There's the bad news. So I wanted to like go walk around and show you the beach because it's still beautiful. But I'm here alone. I don't know where to leave my bag. I don't know where to leave my bag. I don't want to leave it alone, you know, because it's not so safe. But anyway, let's try some cake. So I messed up the cake. Oh, sorry. But it looks good, right? But I messed it up. My cake was messed up, so it's so good. So yummy. I need solution. Should I take my bag with me? You know? But if I take my bag with me, it's going to be hard. Hello. How are you doing?
Now somebody said if I can give you something.
Me?
Yeah.
Who that?
We are going to my end.
Oh, so thank you. Huh?
Yeah.
哇！ Wow. 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 哇！ I'm going to try the cake and see if it's. She said it's a big cake, but I don't know if it's good. So let me try it. Oh, she said it's big. Ew. Ah. So I know for sure I don't like the cake. It's not good. It's not delicious. It's not good. Like, why will you eat something? Maybe it's because it's not sweet. So I'm going to try this and see. Yeah, my hand is messy. Yeah, this is so, guys. I have changed into my bikini. It's so comfortable. I still have the problem with where am I going to leave my bag. Maybe I should go with it, right? I want to show you guys here. So I just changed and I feel so comfortable. It wasn't easy for me to change because I do not want to go to the changing room, so I had to do it like here, like where everyone is watching. But I don't care. It wasn't so bad. I did it anyway. So comfortable. I want to stand up and show you guys my bikini, but let's see. Let's see. Okay. Number 2 is so beautiful. It's cool. So where I'm walking right now, I believe water comes here, but now it's dry, so you can walk. Even though I'm not feeling comfortable, it's like the thing is going. It's like it's going down, like a quicksand or something. Anyway, so this is number 2 beach of Sario. Okay, this is not comfortable, man. Okay, let me take you to the ocean. La 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 la. Till I ask you to, girl. Kissing stranger. Okay, I have to get back. Can you see the mountain? Can you see how beautiful the mountain is? Yeah. Okay, let's go back. But one more time. See the mountain? Okay. Number 2 is so beautiful. It's cool. So where I'm walking right now, I believe water comes here, but now it's dry, so you can walk. Even though I'm not feeling comfortable, it's like the thing is going. It's like it's going down, like a quicksand or something. Anyway, so this is number 2 beach of Sario. Okay, this is not comfortable, man. Okay, let me take you to the ocean. La 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 la. Till I ask you to, girl. Kissing stranger. Okay, I have to get back. Can you see the mountain? Can you see how beautiful the mountain is? Ah, yeah. Okay, let's go back. But one more time. See the mountain? I am not going to lie. I look stupid. Look, me and my bag and my power bank. I know people are going to be questioning why I'm with my bag. It's not their business. Walk, walk, walk. The water is calling me, but unfortunately I'm not going to go because I don't know how to swim. Which is too bad. But the water looks so cool, right? I wish I can swim though. I wish I know how to anyway. But I don't. Is it deep? Can we check? Let's check. So I should not go much because I'm. Whoa! Okay, this is bad. I don't know how to swim, so going in is going to be bad for me. Anyway, let's just enjoy the beautiful mountain, beautiful sea. Okay, let's take like only 5 steps, okay? Just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. No, the water is not for me. The water is not for me. I will really like to swim, but I cannot, unfortunately. If I pronounce that correct, because I'm scared. I have my bag. Not only that, like, oh, let's go back and discuss about life since I'm not going to swim. So guys, I am back from walking. It was great, but thank you. I want to sit down now. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. How you guys been? How is everything? Since I don't think I'm going to walk around anymore. I don't like walking around when I come to the beach. I'm going to talk a little bit. So I put trousers, short, and the bikini. How you been? So how's everything going on with you guys? So guys, I know you guys have been viewing my video, but you guys are not subscribing. I know, because YouTube is telling me that. So I have over 1,000 viewers now, but they're not subscribing. So guys, I'm begging you, like, I went through a lot to do this video. It's not easy. Making a video is not easy. Like, it's really, we are going through a lot to like satisfy your eyes, to give you what you want. So guys, if there is anything I'm doing wrong, because I'm still new, someone is celebrating birthday. Let me show you guys over there. Because I'm still new, like, I'm still learning, even though I don't post like every single day because of my college life. But I'm going to make a schedule where I'm going to post like 1 time a week, because I have college Monday and Wednesday. So I'm going to choose one of those days to make a video. Okay guys, so but you have to help me. You have to tell me what I'm doing that you don't like. you have to tell me what you want to see. Like, you have to discuss with me. You guys are my family now, so you have to tell me, like, do you want to see vlog? Do you want me to do blank? Do you want me to just anything you want I can do? So please, if you're not subscribing, please subscribe, please.
Good morning. So I could not finish the video yesterday after the beach because I was super tired. All I wanted was to sleep, and when I came home, I took a shower and then come straight to bed because I was really tired, you know. So anyway, the video was successful. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, even though you guys are not subscribing, but I know you will. Yeah, I'm tired. It's like 8 in the morning. Today is Saturday. Today is Sunday. I went out yesterday, which Saturday. Today is Sunday. Today is Easter. Happy Easter. Even though I don't celebrate Easter. I mean, I've never think about it like when people go out and stuff like that. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, happy Easter to all of you guys. I hope you guys will support my channel, because without your support, without your love, it will not grow, and it have to, you know, because it's a time consuming thing. So if someone is like doing it and there's no improvement, like, you get tired of it. So I hope you guys could subscribe, like, share, comment, tell me what you want me to do next. Like, give me things you want me to do, then I will do them. So I'm going to end my video here because I'm tired. I want to go back to bed. But thank you so much for watching.